Handog na lang sa performance level. Ay! Fill the world, make you the better place for you and for me and the other human race. Oh, sorry. There are people dying with care now for believing, make a better place for you and for me. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Ricky Bonita. Please stay tuned. I want to show you the meal worth 100 pesos. In dollar, it's $2 meal because it's crisis now and we have to do some budgeting, okay? This is the bitter melon, yes? And this is 30 pesos. And this banana is 10 pesos. And this rice with egg is 25 pesos. I already calculate them how much like this like that. So the dried fish is being recycled. This is a 15 pesos. And this is at 10 pesos. And the coffee is another 10 pesos. So all in all, this is a 100 pesos meal. So let's do some budget, okay? $2 meal, you can live it. You can live every day with $2 meal. Let's do some budgeting because it's prices, okay? Hello! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ricky Bonita. I am going to eat again another 100 pesos meal. 100 pesos meal because it's crisis already. So let's eat $2 meal, okay? Let's have some budget today. Nowadays, we've been budgeting for a month because it's already a pandemic global crisis in the entire universe. And we need to do some budget, okay? Because it's poverty coming on our horizon, okay? So, look at me. I'm wearing like that. Wait, I'm gonna wash my hands. Sorry. Did you see me? Okay, I told you already. This is a 100 pesos meal. Let's eat. 100 pesos. 100 pesos. 1002 US dollar. US. 10. Recycle. The dried fish is recycle. It's recycle. Lagay ko na lang dito kasi pinicturan ko na kanina. Let's eat. Anybody who don't subscribe yet my channel, I look at me today. Please subscribe. Please subscribe, like, and share. This is good for fighting all the illness. It's bitter melon. Its vegetables will have a distinct taste. It's very bitter. Put bitter dyan. You eat this and you will be more bitter. I cooked in half. It's more bitter. Now, recycle stinky dried fish. It has been there for a few days. Let's eat with our hands. No spoon already in the world. All the store is closed. Only grocery and drugstore open. So we need to eat with our hands. And guys, you can do some budgeting too, right? Like this, what I'm doing right now. That's why I'm showing you how to like still enjoy this kind of food. Even it's very limited and not you cannot see fancy foods in my table since before, right? It's all like a province food, but it's more like healthy. This is healthy, the banana, high in potassium. And the bitter ampalaya, the ampalaya is very healthy. Good for your blood, your beauty, your brain. Fight illness. High in fiber. Vitamins and minerals. To all of you, do like this budgeting. It's all things that other people don't even have food to eat anymore. Because here in the Philippines, millions of people, they eat food because they work every day. Like, for example, the tricycle driver, the jeepney driver, the taxi driver, the driver. They don't have salary. They're earning through daily. So after they work, they can buy food. So what is now? Now they don't have no transportation anymore. No jeepney, no any transportation anymore for many days. So how they eat now? How? I even read in the post somewhere that they're starving. A lot of people like hungry. And in this is there's a nation like nabang from the government, but it's so hard. Like only in some other area, but it's not easy to like tawag ano. Duga ba niya abot sa iyang hinabang? Ang hinabang dugay ni abot ng panggutom ng mga tao. So you can budget pag even share some food to you, to others. I still have spoon. Yeah, it's very sad what's going into the world, guys. Are we gonna be the same after this? No. We're not gonna be the same. How we can cook this? Sige nga, yung malagpos ng mga pagkain sa baba. Ako lang yung magmukbang na ang dal-dal-dal-dal, di ba? Ibang mukbang dyan, hindi na nagsasalita. No. Foreigner! Korea, Japan, Italy, India, Arab. You eat like this? Bitter. I like to hear them just for 1-2 minutes. But this means my dried fish has been recycled. What is recycled? Been there in the table for many days. Just get to every meal because it's budgeting. No kaya weird. How ako mo? Marriage is hard again. It's bahaw. Leftover. Recycle it. Okay, sulakan na lang ng kape. Many people in the Philippines are less fortunate. Many people cannot buy grocery good for 1 week, good for 1 month. No. So many people I saw for so many years. after the drive, after the work, like for example, the laborer or something, in the end of the day, they have like few pesos, then they buy food for their family. So how come? They cannot buy food for 1 month, for 1 week. So I hope the government help all of these people. Right? Really heartbreaking. I really care about all the people in the world. So sad, right? So guys, if you're fortunate, I have friends here that they're fortunate. Can budget and can share also. So hard, right? Enjoy my meal. Bayak na taas to. Itigas ng kanin ko eh. Please stay tuned. Ang tigas ng kanin ko. Everyday budget. Keep 100 pesos but still can include the nutritious food, right? This food is all nutritious food. Baliya. Please stay tuned. I'm almost done. 100 pesos meal. Here's coffee. Ay! Nayabok. Hirap naman ng walang phone holder. Saan ka ba phone holder? The one that you can put the phone upper side. You can capture the entire view of your what you're eating. Spaghetti, right? My palya is very hard. It's hard cook. So now you know how I eat. Because most of my mukbang, it's all sweet potato and banana. The other mukbang, I'm with my friends. So I don't use hands. But now, this is for the 1 week challenge. 100 pesos per day. 1 week. 100 pesos per meal, I mean. This morning, I will have like bread and then in late night, biscuit. Budget. 100 pesos meal once a day. The major meal. The rest is all snack. Nilabo ang kape pag-trip. Shout out to all my friends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Noya Altamina, I love you. Chef Hire, salamat sa suporta. Ray Glenn Paladan, salamat sa pa-shout out mo ng pinabungga. The best ka talaga, tol. Namiss ko na yung mga wakada mo na calculation mo. Landa Libon, girl, guapa. J&A, A&J. Magic Meal Kitchen. Marilyn, Vlog Channel. Anaru, Arin. Viva Buhay. Thank you all for your support, for your love and support. Sayang na ko. Para maalaw kayo? Ha? Tuhatin niyo tayo? Kanta na lang. Kanta na lang? Ang gusto niyo? Comment below. Wait, ano pa? Kaan. I'm full with the 100 pesos meal. $2 meal, I'm full. I'm satisfied with that. Heal the world, make it a better place. May mga tumabit sa akin. For you and for me, and the outside. Tindog na lang na, performance level. Ay. Heal the world, make you the better place. For you and for me, and the outside human wake up. Sorry. There are people dying with caring out for believing. Make a better place for you and for me. Heal the world, make you the better place. For you and for me, and the outside human way. Tama kayang word? Okay. Enough for the singing. I don't have talent. Okay. There are people dying. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye. Subscribe, like, share. Can you share? Bye. Love you all. Mwah.